Hi, this is Joe Large, joelarge.com. I'm a content contractor for contractors, people in the construction and restoration business. Anyway, I had something happen today that I just had to share with you. I saw a Craigslist ad that needed some help on, they wanted more sales, I guess. I won't go into all the details, but wanted more sales. I contacted them and asked them about it, and they go, well, what we're doing right now is we find brick that's spalling, then we get the address, then we come back to white pages, then we send them a note. And we go through different neighborhoods and we do that for different people. And I went, man, that's going through a lot of work to do that. And they go, well, we're up in the Carmel area. That's a sort of a Tony area here in Indianapolis, and you can't be, knocking door to door. And I understand that. I wouldn't want to do it either. But my point being is that I got on their website. They'd set up this website and hadn't done anything to it. They had just let it sit there like a brochure. And I said, well, maybe we could do some videos about, how you do stuff and, how well you do it, and maybe show some details and try to inform some people and engage some people. And he goes, well, you mean so you could help me with that? And I said, well, yeah. And I said, we probably need to get a tech guy. I'm not a tech guy per se, but I can help you with the content, with videos and articles and that type of thing. I don't know. What he was getting ready to spend whatever for a guy to go door to door, which probably wouldn't work out after, a day, and bother people and whatever else. But he didn't want to take and spend any money on his website, which he really, if he spent money on his website, he would be creating value in his business, not just, doing something short term. He could add value long term to it. So I don't know. I just kind of, I got a little frustrated that he wanted somebody to go around door knocking and pay them, but he didn't want to do anything for his website per se. So I had to get that off my chest. So, well, listen, have a great day. And if you need some help with content for your contractor website, give me a call. Thanks for watching.